welcome back to Speed Freak Garage, home of power sports on YouTube. So we are going to do a quick video review of our Cover King seat covers. So they're not installed yet. I just wanted to show you the really nice Civic Si seats. The reason why I'm covering them is because they're cloth. Cloth seats stain easily, and my day job is super dirty. So I'm going to unfortunately cover those nice seats up so that they don't get ruined by my day job. And so I will be back in a sec to do a quick review once the install is done. Okay, and we're back 15 to 30 minutes later. I forgot to keep track of the time. It fits kind of loosely, but again, it's just a seat cover, and these bucket seats are very complex shaped seats. So the installation wasn't too bad. Cover King does have a video for installing the normal Civic version, and it's very similar. The tucking under here was the worst part, and you can see it's still not right, but I also almost forgot to put in this pad, so this is the passenger side, but I don't really think it's gonna do much because cloth is cloth. This seat cover fits pretty well. It protects all the edges, protects the seat. And in back here, I don't know how to turn the torch on this new phone, but it even has a little kick guard, and it has a pocket. Not that I think the pocket's going to hold anything, but overall, I'm happy for the price. I think it was $200, so $100 per seat. But again, to protect a irreplaceable, very expensive seat, I think is worth it. So now we're going to do the wiggle test. So we're going to get in. Okay, my clothes slide over the neoprene pretty good, and I'm just going to kind of wiggle my butt around, and I'm not sliding, so I'm not sliding around. I'm not going to have trouble. So I like it. I'm going to go ahead and put the other one on before I finish my review, because you never know, right? But one thing to note, Cover King's customer service is outsourced overseas, and you might as well not even try and contact them, because I wanted to ask if the seat covers had been washed, because I've had an allergic reaction in the past to neoprene seat covers because of the chemicals that were on them, because they weren't washed. So all I did is it's like, hey, did you guys wash this fabric before you shipped it or during the manufacturing process? And if you did not wash it, is it okay for me to wash it, and are there washing instructions? And they replied in the most broken English ever that I couldn't even understand, so I was just like, whatever, forget it. If I get an allergic reaction, I'm gonna have to take it all back off and wash it and hopefully not ruin it. But yeah, I mean, these American companies that are outsourcing their tech support just piss me off. Just have an American answer the phone and give you a quick, concise, and correct answer. It's not that hard. Otherwise, yeah, we'll come back when the other seat's done. Okay, here I am in the passenger seat. I'm finally done. It passes the wiggle test, so it doesn't really wiggle around. The fit up top isn't as good, but I got the bottom to fit better. I think I tucked this a lot deeper, whereas over here it's not tucked as deep. However, I can't, and there's no way for me to show you because it's under the seat, but I cannot give the passenger seat a passing grade. So the driver's seat is great, everything fits right. The passenger seat has a weight sensor in the seat, and there's a ton of electronics underneath the seat to support that weight sensor and to give the airbags a determination of who's in the seat. And Cover King did not move. There's a strap right here. There's a strap that goes all the way under and back. They put that strap in the same location as the control module. So the strap is actually going over the control module and putting a little bit of pressure on the module. So I had to leave this strap loose, and I just made this one tighter. So now you can kind of see that the fitment is all messed up because you can't tighten the strap on this side because you could potentially damage your airbag control module. So it's extremely disappointing. They knew that module was under there. It's been under there on every car for 10 years or more. So, but anyway, that's my review. Driver's side pass. definitely recommended. Passenger side, fail, but I think you have to buy them as a pair. I don't think you can buy them individually. So either way, it will now protect my car from my dirty day job. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time.